Therefore, given question is if tan A is equal to A by B, find the value of A sin A minus B cos A by A sin A plus B cos A. Given trigonometric ratio is in form of tan A. Tan A is equal to given, and we need to calculate the value of A sin A minus B cos A by A sin A plus B cos A. We need to calculate, we need to find the value of these all terms which are given in sin A and cos A. And for that, we are thinking to start from tan A is equal to A by B. That is, tan A means perpendicular by base. When perpendicular is divided by base, at that time 10 will come. Ratio of 10 will come. Therefore, in place of tan A, we have written here P by B is equal to A by B is given. So A by B, which is also given in the question, same terms we have written here. And this means P equal to A. Numerator we can compare, denominator we can compare. That means P equal to A and B equal to B. And H equal to what? Among PBH, among three trigonometric ratio, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, we got or we found perpendicular equal to A and base equal to B. And if we get H equal to, or if we have value of H, then sin A, cos A, other cosec A, tan A, whatever asking in question, that will easy to calculate. So H equal to what? We know h square equal to p square plus p square. Time and again, no need to write that h square equal to p square plus p square. That means just we need h equal to root over p square plus b square. And h equal to p means the value of a p is a, just before we got. And the value of b is b. So h equal to root over a square plus b square. A square plus b square. That means, students, we have now value of p, we have value of b, as well as we have a value of h. Then in question, it is asking that the value of a sin A minus b cos A, and by a sin A plus b cos A is equal to a into sin A means p by h. When perpendicular is divided by hypotenuse, at that time trigonometric ratio will come sine. That is, in place of sine A, we can write perpendicular by hypotenuse. Similarly, minus b into cos A means b by h, base by a hypotenuse, by a into sine A means perpendicular by hypotenuse plus b cos A means b into base by hypotenuse is equal to a into a by h means p means a, h means root over a square plus b square. Value is kept there, or we have a substitute the value. Then minus b into b, base means b, b by root over a square plus b square. In the same way, in the denominator also, we are going to put the value. A into p means a by h means root over a square plus b square plus b into b by root over a square plus b square. In this step, just we remember that we are putting the value. We are putting the values, which values we have got just before. two values we have got by comparing perpendicular equal to A, base equal to B, and hypotenuse equal to root over P square plus B square. And after that, students, you do multiply. Yeah, you do multiply first. A into A by root over A square plus B square is there. That is A square by root over A square plus B square. Similarly, B into B is there, means we think that B by B, this B by nothing is there, means B by 1 is there. In denominator, 1 is there, we think. Then we do multiply of this B and this B. B and B, B square. Therefore, this B square we have written here. And in the denominator, root over A square plus B square is there. Just in this step, we have done the multiply. A into A square, B into B square, and denominator root over A square plus B square is there for all. And then this is the product. A square by root over A square plus B square minus B square by root over A square plus B square by A square by root over A square plus B square plus root B square by root over A square plus B square. After this, take LCM. LCM, when you take LCM, you will get root over A square plus B square. Root over A square plus B square is there common. That common we have taken as a LCM, and no terms will go to do multiply in numerator. Therefore, in the numerator, A square is there. Similarly, and another numerator or second numerator, B square is there. So that A square minus B square by root over A square plus B square by whole by A square by root over A square plus B square by root over A square plus B square is there. Again, same process you use here. Take LCM, that is root over A square plus B square. Take LCM, then A square plus B square by root over A square plus B square. After this means, students, you can think here there are four terms. Yeah, there are four terms. Then four terms means you are looking here, A square minus B square is same. A square plus B square is same in the denominator, and also another A square plus B square is same in denominator, or both are written in denominator. So we can cancel it. After cancelling, what is remaining? Just A square minus B square is remaining, and another term A square plus B square is remaining. That is the answer. Or that is needed to find out. Just question was asking what is the value of, or find the value of A sin A minus B cos A by A sin A plus B cos A is equal to A square minus B square by A square plus B square. Okay, next question. If sine alpha equal to x by root over x by root over x square plus y square, x by root over x square plus y square. Prove that sine alpha y sine alpha is equal to x cos alpha. X cos alpha. We have to prove that. It means, once again, you see the question, sine alpha equal to given. Sine alpha equal to given, and we need to prove that y sine alpha equal to x cos alpha. Y sine alpha is equal with x cos alpha, we need to prove. For that, Sin alpha equal to x by sin x by root over x square plus y square, which is given in the question. That is, sin alpha is given means in place of sin alpha we can write p by s. Perpendicular is divided by hypotenuse so that sine will come, or ratio of sine will come when you divide perpendicular by hypotenuse, or when you divide perpendicular by hypotenuse you will get sine alpha. Therefore in place of sine alpha you can write p by s, or we can write p by s equal to x by root over x square plus y square. So we can compare, or we can get the value of p by s. p equal to x, numerator equal to numerator, that is p equal to x, and s equal to root over x square plus y square. S equal to x square plus y square, inside the root sign we got. And one among perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, one thing is absent. Perpendicular is there, hypotenuse is there, base is not there. Or b equal to what? Or we need to calculate the value of b. The value of b equal to, by using Pythagoras relation, h square equal to p square plus b square, we will get b square equal to h square minus p square, only b equal to root over h square minus b square. Or b equal to root over h equal to root over x square plus y square is there. So that h value we have written here, h square means root over x square plus y square whole square. In place of x, in place of h, we have root over x square plus y square. Therefore minus x square, minus x square we have written means this x square is the value of p square. P means x, square is there, so that is square. Equal to, you see, this square is there and the root is there. Square of root. Root square means root is completed, or root is removed. That means x square plus y square minus x square equal to x square and x square. We may cancel x square and x square. Then remaining term is y square. Root over y square means 2 times repeated, 1 time outside. Therefore, y is coming out. And then we need to see the question. We need to prove that y sin alpha equal to x cos alpha. So that LHS equal to y sin alpha given. LHS equal to y sin alpha given. Y into sin alpha means p by h. Yeah? Y into p by h. Y into the value of a p means x, and the value of h means root over x square plus y square. One time you interchange the place of x and y. In place of y, x you can write. In place of y, x means in place of x, y you can write. Because the relation is multiply. Relation is multiply means x into y, how much product will come? That much equal with y into x. Or in reality, you know that 3 into 4, 12 will come. Similarly, 4 into 3 also 12 will come. So, in place of 3 into 4, we may write 4 into 3 also. So that here is written y into x in place of that x into y. Why we have written? Because x into y means y is the value of base. Y is the value of base. Y is the value of base. And root over x square plus y square is the value of hypotenuse. B by h. the value of B and the value of H can be written. After that, X into the value of B and H. It means B by H. B by H is the formula for cos alpha that is needed to prove. So we have started from LHS, and from the help of LHS, we have reached up to RHS. I think there is no doubt. Next question. If sin A equal to 4 by 5 and cos B equal to 12 by 13, find the value of cos A 10B plus 10A sin B. Here sin A equal to 4 by 5 is there, and we have to find out the value of cos B. We have to find out the value of cos A 10B, 10B, 10A, sin B, cos A. These all value we have to find out. First of all, students, sin A equal to 4 by 5 given. Sin A equal to 4 by 5 given. Then that means perpendicular equal to 4, and hypotenuse equal to 5. And B equal to, we know, root over h square minus p square. The value of h is 5 square, and the value of p is 4 square. Value of p is 4, p square is there, therefore 4 square equal to root over 5 square means 25, 4 square means 16, that means root over 9. Root over 9 means 3. By solving these all, we have got the value of B. With the reference angle A, we have perpendicular P equal to 4, hypotenuse H equal to 5, and base B equal to 3. Don't forget, we had sin A equal to 4 by 3. Given case was sin A, or with the reference angle A. Perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse also will work for the reference angle A. It will not work for reference angle B. That means we have a P equal to 4, H equal to 5, B equal to 3. So cos A equal to B by H. Sin A was given with the reference angle A. Trigonometric ratio of sin was given, so that with the reference angle A, cos A means B by H. B by H equal to 3 by 5. And 10A, yes, here is also A angle for the ratio of 10. Therefore, 10A is equal to P by B. Perpendicular by base is equal to 4 by 3. And again, cos B equal to 12 by 13, which is given in question. Cos B equal to 12 by 13, which is given in question. Then that is B equal to 12. B by H equal to 12 by 13 we can write. That means base equal to 12, hypotenuse equal to 13. Base equal to 12 and hypotenuse equal to 13. And P equal to root over H square minus B square. We need perpendicular here. Then H square means 13 square and B square means 12 square is equal to root over 13 square means 169 and 12 square means 144. Then 144, when you subtract from 169, at that time 25 will come. Yeah, 25 will come. So 25 root, or result is root over 29. If root over 25 is there, then you can write 5 only. 5 square, or 2 times repeated 5 means 1 time 5 will come outside. Then with the reference angle B, we got perpendicular, 5, base 12, hypotenuse 13. Then for the reference angle B, we can calculate tan B equal to perpendicular by base. Tan B, don't forget. We got the perpendicular, base and hypotenuse for angle B. In the same way, tan B equal to perpendicular by base equal to 5 by 12. And sin B means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. And now in question asking the value of cos A into tan A plus tan A into sin B. Cos A into tan B plus tan A into sin B. Then the value of cos A just above, we have found 3 by 5 into tan B means 5 by 12 plus tan A means 4 by 3 and sin B means 5 by 13, which is calculated just above. Equal to, you can see here students, some relation is there in multiply, some relation is there in addition. That means the relation which is in multiply, that can be cancelled. 5 and 5 we can cancel. This 5 and this 5 we can cancel. After that, you see this 3 times 3, 1 is 3 and another 12 is there. Yeah, that 12 is there. When you cancel this 12, it will be 4 times. It will be 4 times. So that is students, this 4 means this 4 we have written as a 1 by 4. This side 1 by 4 and this side multiply we have done 4 into 5, 3 into 13. 4 into 5 means 20, 3 into 13 means 39. Now taking LCM 4 and 39, 4 and 39 LCM means both multiply do 4 and 39. When you do multiply, 156 will come, and in numerator 1 into 39 means 39 plus 20 into 4 means 80 equal to 119 by 56. This is the value which is asked in the question, cos A into tan B plus tan A into sin B. Okay, I think you have understood all in my view. If any confusion, again we will discuss about it.